And there it is. This is Coby back at you with another vlog with Solo. Sail away. Now, this right here is a game changer. Imagine being a solo traveler and going on a solo trip, but not exactly a solo trip because you're going with your friends, your associates. So you're actually on a group trip, but with a solo cabin. It is the best of both worlds. Whenever you need some solo time, you can retreat back to your cabin. I remember feeling a bit hesitant at first, wondering if I'm going to miss something dramatic by having my own space. But let me tell you, it is a perfect balance. I could enjoy all the group activities, all the fun, laugh, and cut up with my friends, and then explore different destinations and make wonderful memories and meet new people while I'm tripping out with my people. But when it's time to recharge, I can go back to my own private sanctuary to retreat to. Don't have to worry about being bothered with anybody else. Having a solo cabin during a group trip also allow me to customize my own experience. I mean, I can wake up in the morning and look at the beautiful sun, the sunrise. And then if I want to look at TV late night, I can do so without disturbing anybody. Being part of a group and having your solo cabin is great. So if you're thinking about embarking on a group trip but crave having your own space at times, I highly recommend you consider a solo cabin. And guess what? You will thank me for it later. Well, I hope you thank me for it later. Well, this is another episode with Solo Sell Away. If you like what you heard, press the like button and subscribe. I appreciate it. And there it is.